WATE 6 on your side, Storm Team.
Meteorologist Margot Altshuler joins us right now. If you have plans over the next several days, you'll want to pay attention. We've got some rain moving in later, that's for sure.
Yeah, no, we had all that snow last week. We were dealing with frigid conditions this weekend, and now we finally warm up and rain greets us as we head towards this evening. Now, the one thing we will be monitoring with this rainbow is the potential for flood. We could see some flooding risk across the entire area here just because we're seeing a lot of rainfall over the next couple of days. The good news is that warm trend that I just mentioned continues as we go throughout the rest of this week. As I mentioned before, still seeing overcast skies, and we are going to continue to see cloud cover thicken up as we head later on into this afternoon. Last week really didn't get over 30 degrees, but today, right now, we're sitting in the upper 40s, low 50s. 49 here in Knoxville, 56 in Maryville, 58 in Middlesboro, 60 in Newport, 63 in Morristown, 47 in Kingston, and 56 in Crossville. Very warm this afternoon. Now, what do we know about the next few days rain-wise? It is going to be widespread rain that we see today and tomorrow. Rumbles of thunder can be possible, can even see some lightning with it, and we are expecting to see a flood threat with all of this rain. Now, we do expect to see a little bit more rain this weekend, but let's focus on today and tomorrow. So right now we're seeing overcast skies, waiting for rain to make its way from Middle Tennessee on over into our area, and it's not until closer to 4 o'clock that we actually see rain pushing through the plateau. We do expect to see more of it up here kind of closer towards 8 p.m. tonight for the rest of us here in the valley and along the Great Smoky Mountains, and there will be pockets of very heavy downpours, so just be aware of that. Some gusty winds can be expected as well. Now, this rain will be slow to move through and move on out, actually sticking with us as we head towards the overnight hours. But by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, we should see everything clearing up yet again, maybe a sprinkle or two lingering. But this isn't the last of the rain, as I mentioned. We're expecting widespread rain for today and tomorrow. More rain moves in as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, looking a little stronger. Again, rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out, and those heavier pockets of downpours can't be ruled out as well. We should see all this moving on through as we head towards tomorrow night. Our rain chances do die down a little bit as we head towards Friday, but bump back up to that 70% chance by Saturday and Sunday. Then we start to dry off a little bit heading on into Monday next week and going into the rest of the week next week. But we have to get through the next kind of 5 days of seeing widespread rain. Again, as I mentioned, flooding can be possible due to the amount we are expecting to see. We right now have an aerial flood watch for Monroe and McMinn counties. Could see that move on up towards kind of the Great Smoky Mountains and the valley here, just because look at this. We're expecting to see close to 2 inches, maybe even more in some areas along the plateau, 1 to 1.5 inches here in the valley, and close to half an inch, maybe 1 inch along the Great Smoky Mountains. That's a lot of rain, and that's not including that snow melt that we will see from the snow that's still on the ground melting off into reservoirs. So again, flooding is possible. If you run into a big kind of puddle on the ground that you can't really see the road, it's safer, turn around, do not drown. That warming trend continues. Rain and rumbles expected later on today and tomorrow. Spotty showers remain as we head towards the weekend. Bo.